When you think about ultimate luxury, elegance, and craftsmanship, one name stands above all. Rolls-Royce, known for redefining opulence on wheels. Rolls-Royce has now stepped into a world that very few imagined possible. The year 2026 has introduced a motorhome that breaks all barriers of travel, luxury, a masterpiece on wheels, the Rolls-Royce Motorhome. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. A private palace designed to move with you wherever your journey takes you. Let's take a closer look at this extraordinary creation that is turning heads and rewriting the future of luxury travel. From the outside, the Rolls-Royce Motorhome embodies the iconic presence we expect from the brand. A towering yet graceful design stretches across a long wheelbase, wrapped in seamless curves and aerodynamic lines. The Spirit of Ecstasy proudly sits on the hood, symbolizing freedom and motion, but now representing an even grander vision of mobility. Its chrome-detailed grille glows with subtle illumination, giving it a futuristic yet royal identity. At first glance, it feels less like a motorhome and more like a moving mansion. Its massive panoramic windows, bold dual-tone paint finishes, and smooth chrome accents define elegance in motion. Rolls-Royce engineers have ensured that every detail of this design reflects the heritage of the brand while pushing the boundaries of innovation. Step inside, and you enter a world that feels detached from the concept of a vehicle. The interior is not just designed, it is curated. A blend of handcrafted leather, sustainable exotic woods, and crystal accents create an atmosphere of timeless luxury. The cabin opens into a spacious lounge area, with deep armchairs wrapped in the finest hides, complete with massage and climate control functions. These seats are designed not just for sitting, but for sinking into pure comfort. Above you, a starlight headliner stretches across the ceiling, mimicking the night sky with thousands of embedded fiber optic lights. A signature Rolls-Royce touch now brought into a home on wheels. Moving further in, the motorhome surprises you with a dining area that feels like a private luxury suite. A marble-finished dining table, paired with electronically retractable chairs, creates a setting for a fine dining experience no matter where you are parked. The kitchen area is fully equipped, featuring induction cooking, hidden appliances, and even a climate-controlled wine storage unit. Imagine sipping a perfectly chilled glass of champagne while watching the sunset from your panoramic glass walls. Rolls-Royce has ensured that no part of this motorhome feels less than a five-star luxury hotel. The bedroom is perhaps the most breathtaking part of the experience. A king-sized bed with memory foam and silk upholstery dominates the suite. Adjustable lighting, soundproofing, and panoramic ceiling glass create a sense of serenity unmatched by any other motorhome. The room is climate-controlled individually, ensuring your comfort whether you are parked in the snow-capped mountains or by the tropical seaside. Hidden storage, walk-in style wardrobes, and even a dressing table complete the feeling of a private luxury residence. Connected to the bedroom is a bathroom that could rival those of luxury resorts, featuring rainfall showers, heated floors, smart mirrors, and a vanity made from onyx stone. This bathroom is built for ultimate relaxation. Rolls-Royce has seamlessly blended technology with craftsmanship here. With touch-sensitive controls, aromatherapy diffusers, and even self-cleaning technology built into the surfaces. But what truly separates the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome from others is its technology. Powered by an advanced hybrid electric system, it offers whisper-quiet performance with extraordinary efficiency. The motorhome glides effortlessly on highways, with air suspension adjusting dynamically to every road surface. The cockpit features a fully digital interactive dashboard with AI-assisted navigation, autonomous driving capabilities, and Rolls-Royce's signature silence inside the cabin. Even at full speed, conversations can be held in whispers thanks to advanced noise cancellation and soundproof engineering. Entertainment is another realm where Rolls-Royce exceeds expectations. A 5K-old screen retracts from the ceiling, turning the lounge into a private theater. A 360-degree surround sound system crafted in partnership with the world's best audio engineers creates an immersive cinematic experience. Smart glass windows can transform from clear to opaque with a single touch, offering complete privacy. Integrated voice assistants and gesture controls ensure that you can manage every aspect of the motorhome effortlessly. For travelers who want more than just luxury, Rolls-Royce has also included customizable features. Owners can tailor their motorhome to reflect their personal style. Whether it's rare wood finishes, bespoke embroidery, or even personalized color schemes, each motor can be made to feel entirely unique. Rolls-Royce's bespoke division works hand-in-hand with clients to ensure that no two motorhomes are ever truly the same. This motorhome is not just about style, it's about freedom. Imagine parking by the cliffs of Santorini, the beaches of the Maldives, or the heart of the Swiss Alps, all while carrying your private luxury suite with you. It represents a lifestyle where adventure meets the pinnacle of comfort. The price of this extraordinary masterpiece is expected to be upwards of $3 million, making it one of the most expensive and exclusive motorhomes ever created. But for those who can afford it, the Rolls-Royce Motorhome is not just a purchase. It is an investment in the ultimate luxury lifestyle. It is designed for those who refuse to compromise between travel and comfort, for those who wish to carry their world with them in unmatched elegance. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is more than a vehicle. It is the redefinition of travel, where luxury, technology, and freedom meet in perfect harmony. It is proof that when Rolls-Royce dares to enter a new world, they don't just participate, they dominate. So whether you're a dreamer of ultimate luxury, a lover of travel, or simply someone who appreciates the finest craftsmanship, this motor is a glimpse into a future where the journey itself becomes the destination.